Today we're going to take a quick look at this multifunctional car jump starter. The company did send it over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box and I'll show you a little bit more about it. So first of all, you do get the main unit. You also get an air hose. You get an air hose attachment, so for one there for a ball and some other types of inflatables. The charge cable. You do get the little OBD2 connectivity, little block here. It'll connect to your phone via Bluetooth. You also get the 160 watt DC power output, so that's nice that they've included that. And then you get the clamps here for the jump start that just plugs right into it and has the instructions here on the back. And then you do also get the instruction manuals that come with it, along with a nice pair of gloves. So let's take a look at the main unit real quick. So first of all, you do have the power button here, and then this is just long press and hold that. And the real cool thing that I liked about it is this unique handle. So you can kind of handle this, carry it, hook it onto something if you needed to. Here on the side, that's where you plug in the air hose. This is where you're going to plug in the clamps to start your engine with, so that's where they connect to. And then here on the back is this really cool flashlight. So it's a really nice LED panel, and let me go ahead and show you how this works just while I'm on it. So here's the little light button. You can turn that on. Here's one light on the front, or on the top I should say, and then here is this one on the back, and you can see you can adjust this however you want to there. It's like a 90 degree adjustable light, and then when you press this button again, it goes through different light settings, so it makes it really nice if you're especially on the side of the road working on your car. You can do that. And then as far as the compressor, here's the PSI. When you connect it, it's going to show you your current level of PSI and then what the output is for that. And then you have different settings, so you can go to different modes, so like a car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, a basketball, and then you can come in and then a custom, and then you can come in and adjust these however you want to adjust them. And then when you're ready, you just hit the power button or the pump button rather when you set it up, and then that will go and auto shut off when it is ready to auto shut off. So that is how that works. Very cool little setup here in the system. So let's look at real quick the jump start portion of this. So once again, I have this sitting on my car, and I just want to turn the light on so I could see, so I can just tilt it up there really nicely. And you'll see the little jump starter box there blinking, and when I connect it, it's going to turn green, letting me know that it is ready for me to jump start the car, which is really awesome and easy to understand, especially if you're at nighttime. That's a good indicator there, so that means you're ready to go. And then once again, you can just kind of go through the lights here as well, no problem at all. So one more thing I want to take a look at real quick is this. This is the OBD sensor. I plugged it in. I started my car. It's telling me my battery voltage. It's telling my engine coolant temperature. It would do your vehicle speed if you had that on there. It's telling me my engine RPMs as well. And then there's several different tests that you can run. So I'm just running a diagnostic right now, and it's just telling me, it's going through the list, telling me, you know, what's going on, if anything. Now, luckily, I didn't have anything going on with my car at this moment, but I do drive an older car, so I'm going to need this. I'm going to need this setup in this system, and it's always good to have. So if you're looking for something like this, I think they've packed this full of accessories. Great quality product. Definitely recommend it. Hope this helps.